So friends, welcome to Mauritius. Let me tell you about Mauritius because it's very important to know where is Mauritius. So Mauritius is in Indian Ocean. It's about 2000 kilometers from Africa. From India, there are flights from Mumbai, from Bangalore. It takes about 6 hours 15 minutes. This is the only country in the world where all the people are settlers. So the currency is Mauritanian rupees. Your name, sir?
My name is Ashok.
Ashok.
Yeah.
And see, the Ashok, the name.
Yeah.
So that shows that his ancestors were from India. Welcome to Mauritius.
Bienvenue à Maurice.
Oh, the first Prime Minister was Sevu Sagur Ram Gulam. Different shades of water here, and they have, the cleanliness of the beaches and the roads, and there is no pee-pee. No vehicles honking. Do watch this, you will really enjoy this. So friends, welcome to Mauritius. So this is Mauritius and welcome to Mauritius. Just behind me, I think you are able to see. This is Mauritius and welcome to Mauritius. So before I start the Mauritius tour, let me tell you about Mauritius because it's very important to know where is Mauritius and how to fly to Mauritius. So Mauritius is in Indian Ocean. It's about 2000 kilometers from Africa. Madagascar. It is the closest place to come to Mauritius. And from India, there are flights from Mumbai, from Bangalore. And if you are coming by flight, it takes about 6 hours 15 minutes to fly from Mumbai to Mauritius. And you know about Mauritius, this is the only country in the world where all the people are settlers. They're not originally from Mauritius, they are mostly from India. The highest percentage is from India, then from Africa, from Europe, like France, from British. There are Chinese also, and there are different religions here. Hindu is one of the main religion. Christianity also is one of the main religion. Muslim, Buddhist. So there are different religions. So you will find a mix of people over here. Not like other countries. Here you find temples. You have churches. You have mosques. You have Buddhist temples. Closest country here is Reunion. That's a French, you can say a French controlled island. That is the closest country which is very close. So about the geography, it's as I said, it's 2000 kilometers from Africa. It comes under Africa. The most richest is Seychelles. Then the closest country is Seychelles. So these are a few countries which are very close to Mauritius. And the capital of Mauritius is Port Louis. So I am in Grand Bay. In English, if you say it's Grand Bay. In French, they call it in a different way. And Grand Bay, something like this. Grand Bay, something like that they say. So that's their local language. So the currency is Mauritanian rupees, and it looks like this. So the currency is Mauritanian rupees. Bank of Mauritius, that is the central bank. This is 200 rupees, 1000. So if you want to convert it, it's very easy. Not like Vietnam or Malaysia, Thailand. Thailand is okay, but Vietnam it's very difficult. But here it's very easy. Anything if you want to convert, now here you just multiply by 2. That is the closest exchange value which you get for Indian rupees. So 200 means this is 400 rupees and 1000 means this is 2000 rupees.
problem.
So, your name, sir?
I am. My name is Ashok.
Ashok.
Yes.
And see, the Ashok, the name.
Name.
So that shows that his ancestors were from
My
India.
ancestor, I'm Indian. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm
So
Indian. My
most of
ancestors come from Bihar.
Bihar.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
most of the people who came here,
Yeah.
I'll be telling you the history about the
Yeah.
people who came here.
Yeah, yeah.
And there is a national day which is celebrated as a public holiday on 4th of November.
On
No,
the
second of
November.
2nd of November.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, so I'll tell you more about the history,
Yeah.
and Ashok will tell you the language which is spoken here. It's called
Yes, our national language is mostly we speak all over the island is our Creole Mauritian.
Creole
It
Mauritian,
is a bit close to French.
French.
We use mostly words from French and we mix with Creole language and we have the Mauritian language, Creole.
Creole.
Yes,
Oh.
yes.
So this language
So they
is
call it the Patois Creole. This is the Patois Creole, Patois.
Patwa Creole.
Yeah, when you say Patois, you are speaking Creole.
Oh,
Yeah, Patois Creole.
Patwa Creole.
Our accent is different.
Yeah.
Patois Creole. This is
Patois.
our accent.
Oh.
And when you say Patois Creole, how we could say? How you say? Patois Creole.
Patwa Creole.
I mean, it's
Yeah,
good,
Patois
good.
Creole.
Yeah.
So most of the people here, majority are Indians.
Yeah,
Yeah,
60% of the island mostly Indian.
Indians, yeah.
We have Muslim, Chinese, Christian. I think
French.
French, all people here. We have rainbow.
Yes, that's why your flag is
Yeah,
rainbow.
rainbow,
So
yeah.
many different religion, different caste, different
Yes.
people from different countries,
Yeah, but we all are Mauritian.
all Mauritian.
We keep our tradition.
Yeah.
Yes.
And let me tell you one very good thing about Mauritius, which
Yeah.
I liked.
Yeah.
No honking,
No.
no pee 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 pee.
No.
Yeah. Second, very clean. See the beach here.
Yes.
And
Very
he's
nice.
enjoying, even though he's a Mauritian, I was just watching him, he's
Yeah.
enjoying this beauty here.
No, I'm a taxi driver. I'm waiting for my time to go to the hotel to pick my passengers and to go at Eben.
Oh,
Yes, I work at Port Louis. I'm based at Port Louis.
oh, Port Louis.
Yeah.
So,
Capital of Mauritius.
so just about the language
Yeah,
here,
yeah.
I wanted to have a word because it was difficult for me. Creole.
Yeah,
So-
what you want to say? I can say in Creole.
Welcome to Mauritius.
Welcome, we say bienvenue à l'île Maurice. Bienvenue dans Maurice.
Huh?
Bienvenue is a French name. Welcome. Bienvenue. Bienvenue to Mauritius. Welcome. Bienvenue à Maurice.
Oh, hello,
Yeah,
Maurice.
this is French. Bienvenue
Yes.
à Maurice.
Thank you. And for thank you, Marcy.
Merci beaucoup.
Marcy.
Thank you very much. Merci beaucoup.
Bahu. Huh?
Beaucoup.
Beaucoup. Oh.
Beaucoup.
Bogu.
Merci beaucoup.
And one more thing, there was a bird here, dodo,
Dodo, yes.
and it got extinct.
Yes,
And I'll
yes.
tell you more about dodo,
Dodo,
later
yes.
on. And thank you very much, Ashok.
Yes, thank you.
Enjoy your
Okay,
day
bye-bye.
today.
And
Have a good day.
And you are which spot?
Mumbai.
Oh, Mumbai. I've been to Mumbai.
Oh.
I've been to Mumbai.
Yeah, I live there, but I
I-
love this place.
Yeah,
Really, I am in love with this
Yes.
place. The weather is
Mumbai,
good.
there's a beach, Juhu Beach.
Not like this.
It's not like this,
Yeah,
yes. not
yeah,
like
this
but
is-
very big, very large.
Very large, yeah.
I've been there.
But we have like this good beaches.
Yeah, we have a
little-
lot of beaches. Yeah,
Yeah.
This is not.
Yeah.
This is not
Yesterday-
not for swimming.
Yeah.
If you want to swim, you go to Montchoisy.
Oh.
Yeah, go to Peribert.
Ah.
Very nice beach. Yeah.
Yes. So thank you, Ashok,
Thank you
and
too.
enjoy your day.
Okay. Thank
Have
you.
a good day.
Okay. Bye.
Bye bye. So that was the language, but people here they speak Hindi also. They know Hindi because they are mostly from Bihar, UP. It was earlier Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and little bit from Maharashtra. And now I'll tell you. I told you about the geography. I told you about the language, about the religion here. Now I'll tell you about different islands. There are different islands here, and many islands. You have to take a boat like this or catamaran and move around at the different places. As I said, the capital is Port Louis, and I'm in Grand Bay. It's about 26 kilometers from here. Port Louis is about 26. You can take a taxi. You can go by a bus. Bus is the cheapest mode of transport here. About the history. The Arabs were the first who landed here in 975. So, 975 AD, Arabs were the first to discover this beautiful island. After that, the Portuguese, they landed here in 1507. 1507, the Portuguese were here. 1598, Dutch came here and they started occupying this island. And what they did is they started planting sugar, and they started producing sugar and sugar cane, and they extracted sugar and also arak. Arak is a liquor, local liquor, and they started getting this and they brought the slaves from Malagasy. They brought slaves, and later on the French occupied this. Later on the French occupied this in 1715, and then the British came. A beautiful bird flying. And the British, they were here in 1810. So that's about different countries which came and occupied this place. So you will understand the Arabs, the Dutch, the French, and last the British. Then they got independence from the British. And in 1968 they got independence from British, and the first Prime Minister was Sevusagur Ram Gulam, and he was from Indian origin. And a very nice story about this guy. As a childhood, he used to attend Vedic school here in Mauritius, and they used to teach Sanskrit and Veda and all. But he wanted to learn English and French, and he wanted to go to a good school. And without telling his mother what he did, this is very interesting. Let me tell you, friends. Those days there were no schools in Mauritius much, but there was a convent school. And without telling his mother, the parents, what he did is he started attending that school where they taught English and French. And like that he got from the school, and later on he went to England. From France he went to England, and he became a doctor. And and if you see his photo, there's a problem in his eye. In an accident in a cowshed, there was an accident. He lost his one eye. So if you see a photograph, you will see that he has some problem with his one eye. So that's the story about Sevusagur Ram Gulam. He was the first Prime Minister, and he did a great job here in 1968. But the head of the state was Queen Elizabeth II. Now, the Mauritius is now a republic. So in 1992, Mauritius became a republic, and today they have a president, a prime minister. So now they are not under the British. So they have cut the ties. It has become a republic, and now this is the beautiful place where we are here. And what to tell you more about the weather? Yes. Hi. Hi. So about Mauritius, the weather now, it's really beautiful. Very cold. Yesterday, we landed here and we could not swim because the water is very cold. But today it's a nice sunny day. So today we'll be going to different places and we'll be visiting different places. So I hope this small video you understood about Mauritius and a beautiful this place. And if you see this yachts, people, they go by catamaran. These are all catamarans here. Let me show. Those guys are going to another catamaran. That's another King Cruise. There's a catamaran here. So this you can take and move around. There are different boats. There are speed boats also. So it's very expensive. Let me tell you guys. It's very expensive. About 2,500 Mauritian rupees. That is 5,000 rupees for one person. And you can move around by this catamaran or speed boats and go to different places, different islands. So thanks for watching. Now that's about Mauritius, and really do come here. This is the most beautiful. As soon as I landed, it's the most beautiful place, friends. It's so good. You have to come here and visit this. The sky is blue, the water is blue and green, different shades of water here, and they have, the cleanliness. the beaches and the roads, and there is no PP. No vehicles honking. So it's so calm and quiet here. Even the vehicles are moving around, but there is no one honking. And traffic discipline, excellent. Yesterday, as I landed, I was brought by my friend Nitish, and we were driving about 60 kilometers. And if you see, there's a speedboat coming to take this guys. So that's about this Mauritius thing. When I saw these trees, if you are a bird watcher, you have to come here. There are forests in this region. You can go for bird watching. Different types of birds. You can just see here yellow, red, bulbuls. A lot of birds here. So a bird watcher will love this place. There are no animals, wild animals, except I think monkeys. But you will definitely get to see beautiful birds. Enjoy a lot of videos, a lot of parts or series of videos in my on my YouTube channel. So do watch this. You will really enjoy this. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.